Hi everyone, my name is Latif Mahmoudi. I am a registered migration agent with Victoria Immigration Consultants. My migration agent's registration number is 2518734. Our office is located in the city of Melbourne in the suburb of Dandenong, and we have a license to practice here in Melbourne, Australia. Today's video is about the most common differences between Australian permanent residency and Australian citizenship. Difference number one. Both permanent residents and Australian citizens can live in Australia indefinitely. Number two, voting rights. Only Australian citizens can vote at Australian elections. Australian permanent residents cannot vote at Australian elections. Difference number three, Australian passport. Only Australian citizens can obtain an Australian passport. Permanent residents of Australia are not eligible to receive an Australian passport, and they must travel on their original passport from their home country. Difference number four, travel rights. Australian citizens have an automatic right of entry to Australia, and permanent residents of Australia must re-enter Australia on a valid visa like resident return visa or partner visa or any other valid visas. Difference number five, risk of visa cancellation. In most cases, Australian citizenship cannot be cancelled unless some extreme situations apply, like those ISIS rights. And then permanent residents of Australia can have their permanent residency cancelled in some circumstances. It mostly relates to criminal behaviour. And then government jobs. Difference number six. Some Australian government jobs, like defence jobs, are only available to Australian citizens, and they're not available generally to Australian permanent residents unless some sort of exemption applies. And then difference number seven, consular assistance overseas. If an Australian citizen needs consular assistance from the Australian consulate or embassy in another country, they have an automatic right to receive that consular assistance in another country, whereas permanent residents do not generally have that right, and they must obtain help from their home country or their embassy. Difference number eight, sponsoring family members. So both Australian citizens and permanent residents can sponsor their family members for Australian visas if they meet the eligibility requirements. And difference number nine, citizenship by descent for children born overseas. Australian citizens who have children born in another country can apply for Australian citizenship and then Australian passport for the child who was born overseas. Australian permanent residents do not generally have this right. And number 10, legal sense of belonging and security. Australian citizenship provides the highest form of connection to Australia, and then permanent residency provides legal connection to Australia, but it's not on the same level and the same category as Australian citizenship. So thank you for watching this video until the end. If you need any sort of immigration law advice related to applying for an Australian visa or Australian citizenship, all you have to do is send us a direct message on the social media channel that you're watching this video on, and then all of our consultations are delivered through a prepaid and pre-booked consultation. If you want to talk to our office to receive personalized immigration law advice, you can book a consultation with our officer, and then we'll be able to speak to you at the selected time. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and I hope to see you and speak to you at another time. Bye.